they typically want to do that and move on to better, greater things like go and sell or find your next customer and not sit in front of the AI assistant and try to figure out or fine tune until you get the task done. So within the business context, you expect to spend no more than the needed time in order to execute on a task rather than playing around with the tool. It's very different from a consumer type of use of tools like ChatGPT, where you may say something like, tell me a joke, write a song, or any number of things that are not time sensitive. So when we are working or when we are in the office and we want to get things done, uh, even though it's open ended, limitless possibilities with ChatGPT, that's the plus and that's also the minus. Meaning that's the negative thing about ChatGPT because it has so many options. It's so general and it's so flexible that you have too many options. And if I just need to generate a property description, I don't really care about the 2 billion other options that you can run through ChatGPT. I just need to get this task done.